Learn, practice, train. Toot, toot. That's why the philosophers warn us not to be satisfied with mere learning, but to add practice and then training. For as time passes, we forget what we learned and end up doing the opposite and hold opinions the opposite of what we should. Epictetus Discourses. Very few people can simply watch an instructional video or hear something explained and then know backward and forward how to do it. It takes a while for our little brain box to get it, I guess. Most of us actually have to do something several times in order to truly learn. Taking it from mental to actually physically doing it, maybe. One of the hallmarks of the martial arts, military training, and athletic training of almost any kind is the hours upon hours upon hours upon hours of monotonous practice. An athlete at the highest level will train for years to perform movements that can last mere seconds or even less. The 2-minute drill, how to escape from a chokehold, the perfect jumper. Simply knowing isn't enough. Is it muscle memory, maybe? It must be absorbed into the muscles and body. It must become part of us, a natural response, maybe. Or we risk losing it the second we experience stress or difficulty. That's, as a saying, it's like you will always fall to your level of training, or like something like that. Is it true with physiological principles as well? You can't just hear something once and expect to rely on it when the world is crashing down around us. When stuff gets stressful, you maybe go back to your old habits of thinking. Remember, Marcus Aurelius wasn't writing his meditations for other people. He was actively meditating for himself. Marcus Aurelius' meditations was his diary. He wasn't going to publish it, and someone did. Even as successful, wise, and experienced man, he was until the last days of his life practicing and training himself to do the right thing. Like a black belt, he was still showing up to the dojo every day to roll like a professional athlete. He still showed up to practice each week, even though others probably thought it was unnecessary. The philosophical brain dojo. There we go. Thanks for joining me. And tonight, I'm still reading for the 33 alcohol-free video series. And I'll be talking about sex tonight. I'm doing 33 days alcohol-free. Join me tonight. You know where to find it. Or join me tomorrow for the daily Stoic reading. I didn't ramble too much today. That's a new thing. Anyway, thanks for joining. You still here? Oh, geez. Thanks. But I'll see you tomorrow morning or tonight. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. No, that's not sex, you and me. That's a bit awkward. Bye.